Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andrea Patrick Official. This is the place you come if you're interested in personal style, beauty, and business tips. I believe that it is definitely possible for your personal life and your business life to coexist to provide you the quality of life you've been looking for. My goal is to help you become the architect of your success and stop being controlled by your business so that you can have a good time living your life and being an entrepreneur at the same time. Believe you me when I tell you there are tons of personal shenanigans that happen on this channel. I'm sharing my life and I'm sharing the behind the scenes of how I've been able to have a successful business over the past 20 years while raising my family, having a good time with my girlfriends, and still being the wife and mother. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget, hit that subscription button, click the notification bell, never miss an episode. Thank you for coming over today, and I hope you have a good time. Make sure you go through our playlist. There's tons of information for you to go through and lots of fun, entertaining videos as well. Thanks again for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. All right, guys, see you later.